Unleashing Artistic Power, How to Create Stunning Artwork with Leonardo AI. How to use Leonardo AI to generate stunning artwork and images. Here's a step-by-step guide. Leonard's AI-powered text-to-image skills can cook up a variety of images based on your descriptions. Here's how it works. 2 versions, basic, free, paid, $20 month, but most people are fine with free. 1. Sign up for Leonardo AI. 2. Access the image generator at the home screen image generation to create new image button. 3. Try your first image. 4. You can specify your image. 5. Add elements. Click the drop-down menu for Add Elements to choose a specific element such as coloring book, folk art illustration, kids illustration, toon anime, or vintage Christmas illustration. 6. View images with elements added. 7. Add a negative prompt. In generative AI, a negative prompt is one in which you mention things that you don't want to see in the results. For example, maybe you're requesting the image of a grasshopper drinking a martini, but you don't want it to have wings. 8. Specify the number of images. Next, you can control how many images are included in the results. At the top of the left pane, click the number to indicate how many images you want and then click Generate. 9. Ask for photorealistic images. Turn on the switch for photoreal to generate photorealistic images. You can then set the depth of field to high, medium, or low and enable raw mode to create a more detailed and larger image. 10. Choose and tweak your desired image. Once you like the batch of generated images, click a specific one that you want to use. The image screen offers you a few options. 11. Copy or download the image. Click the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the image and paste it elsewhere. Click the Download Image button to download it to your computer.